8 divided by 2 times 8 plus 2 times 6 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 4 times 8 is 32. Then 32 plus 2 is 34, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Finally, 34 times 3 is 102, but this answer is wrong because we didn't follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. The correct order is parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. So, in this expression, we first solve inside the parentheses. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 4 times 8 is 32. The result of the second part is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. The expression becomes 32 plus 2 times 3. After the parentheses, it's time for multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6. Finally, 32 plus 6 equals 38. If you enjoy these kinds of math challenges, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.